First question na lang po, how do you guys feel working together for the first time with this kind of like a film?
Who have experienced speaking with Betty,
How do you feel na working together?
We hope everyone is enjoying, by the way. Also,
it's a great feeling.
Forget to use our hashtags. Hashtag only we know and hashtag only we know lunch.
Yeah, masayang syempre masaya siyang proseso.
And
anytime naman na may bagong experience with
our labels
people,
important to
yung
you?
combination, it's always a great experience.
We learn from each other.
Ay, sabi nga nila, there's always a first time for everything, and I must say that this is a beautiful first time for at least for me.
For Miss Irene po, direct parang nakwento niyo po last time na parang ito years pa bago po ito film release. Kamusta po that finally tinawag niyo tong destiny for the film na ma-release na po ngayon?
Ayun, sabi namin yung t-shirt namin nung last date is nakalagay, dahil wala pa siyang title, nakalagay lang sa t-shirt namin, we're doing a movie about waiting. So, now that the wait is almost over, dahil ipapalabas na kami sa June 11, ayun, syempre exciting, and it's always, sa hinaba-haba ng prosesyon, sa tagumpay nawa matuloy.
Sa tagumpay nawa.
Why is it like this kind of story? Like parang soft siya na medyo may patagong suntok at the end yung napili niyo po para po kay Miss Charo and Sir Dulo.
Naisip siya, marami siyang pinagdaanan bago na pero yung germ ng concept, it's that kind of it's that kind of love between an older woman and a younger man. Pero kung ano yung klaseng pag-ibig na yon, na-develop siya through the years, and then nakatulong kung ano yung meron sa mundo, kung ano yung pakiramdam natin ngayon sa panahon, at sana makita yun sa pelikula kasi yun talaga yun yung laman ng pelikula. Nasaan tayo ngayon?
Sige po.
There is always stereotyping in relationships, di ba? And you're dealing with May December affair in this movie, di ba? Are you breaking the rules in this movie?
Sana panoorin ninyo para makita ninyo kung ano yung without spoiling it too much. It's really that, no? Yung sinasabing no labels and or no definition. Dahil sanay tayo sa society, yun na nga, mag-stereotype, pag may nakikita tayong magkasama, uy, ganyan sila, or ganyan sila, uy, ano yung mga yan? Parang gano'n. We're always curious about other person's lives, but what do we really know about relationships? So,
why can you not tell us straight kung ano yung
spoiler kasi
spoiler siya?
Oo, spoiler siya. Pero,
spoiler on your part, not on our part.
Not on your part, yeah. On my part, kasi madamot ako. Charot!
Okay.
Hindi. Ano naman, so, experience siya eh. That's why you have to experience it in the cinema, you have to experience the story. Because, of course, it's a journey of life and love and soul. So, mahirap siyang tukuyin. Katulad ng iba kong pelikula lagi.
Miss Charo, women who are in May December affair are always ostracized, di ba?
Yes.
They are always looked upon with condescension,
yes.
Di ba? Will you be sure na after this movie, mag-iiba yung tingin sa women in an May December affair?
May iba
I'm
na
asking Miss Charo.
Yan, sorry. Kasi parang malaking bubog ko doon. Go na.
Malaki yung bubog ni Direk Irene doon. Parang it's human nature to judge. I think, the world will still judge whether you like it or not, but I think the world also has become more understanding and more has shown more empathy to the non-traditional kind of relationships. Mas bukas na, mas naiintindihan, mas accepting. So, yeah. But the reality exists that the world will always be, there will always be people who will judge you, no matter what you do.
There are so many May December affairs, movies or television shows na napalabas na. How is it different from all of those? Paano siya naiba? Because kung hindi siya may iba, it's just one of those, right?
Yeah. So it's for everyone to experience it. There's a soulful experience. It's, you know, it's for some of the people who have seen it, they say it's very immersive. Para kang pumapasok sa kwento ng dalawang magkaibigan na nagkakilala, and then naging ano lang sila, open to their own vulnerabilities. It's a slice of life. It's nothing big, very nuanced, but there's deep emotional vulnerability in the characters.
Ding Dong, you always go out of your comfort zone. Is this one of those?
Yes, definitely. When I choose roles, I want to take on roles that really challenge me. And si Ryan, yung pangalan ng character dito, isa sa mga yun. Kasi ano siya, super broken character. Kaya, and I mean, pati sa yung physicality niya, that's something that I really experimented on. So, type ko yung mga ganito. Medyo uncomfortable na mga roles. Dahil uncomfortable meaning because of the emotional baggage na dala ng character.
One last question. What do you put at risk by doing this assignment?
Parang, ay, ako?
Both of you.
Oo, sige. I think yung risk dito ay kapag hindi ginawa. Because that was the feeling that we got when we read the script. Na parang it is too beautiful not to do. So parang kung hindi siya gawin, parang yan yung greatest what if ng aming career siguro ng buhay namin. Yeah. What if na sa panahong ito, kung kailan mas marami ng open sa different types of relationships, kahit may labels o wala, kasi hindi ay pinalipas namin. So yun siguro yung pinaka para sa amin, yun yung risk siguro maaari kung sakaling hindi natuloy.
Miss Sharon?
I think if you're an artist and you're true to your craft at kaya mo, and you believe in the story, the narrative, and you appreciate the journey of the character, there's nothing at risk. I mean, you're an actor, and an actor should be open. I'm not saying ready to do everything, but at least open to considering looking at other characters and getting out of one's comfort zone.
Question po sa akin for our main cast. Opo. Parang yung trailer po, it gives like a message of private but not secret yung kanilang relationship.
So
How do you think about it po sa inyo? What does it feel na ganun yung klase ng relation yung ipapakita nyo po?
Minsan mas maganda yung may mga bagay na kayo-kayo na lang. But I'll tell you this, the movie is about us letting you into our lives. So it's all about that experience. Kaya hindi kami makapag-antay na pasukin niyo yung bahay ni Betty at ni Ryan.
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.